Hi, I'm your Excel buddy here, and in this video we are going to see how we can get rid of unwanted spaces which appear in our databases or the data basically which we have in our Excel sheets. So for this I have an example here. In the sentence which is appearing here on your screen, you can see that there are good lot of unnecessary spaces between words. What if I copy this and I want this to be in simple sentence format? So how do I remove these unnecessary spaces? So here we go to the function which we are going to use. The function is trim, T-R-I-M, trim, and we'll see how to apply it. We say equals trim, this is the function name, open parentheses, select the text, that is the text appears here, close parentheses, and you hit enter. And you see, all the unnecessary spaces are all gone. I'll give you another example. Like here in my database, I had these names and I wanted to compare if the names are properly there or no. As I can see, all these names appear to be same. Let us see. Let us verify it with the Excel. What does the formula say? So here I go to compare these two values. I say, please tell me if A2 is equal to B2. It says no, it's not. It's false. And I drag this formula down. Here I have the name matching. Anuj Sharma is matching. Arundhati Upadhyay is matching. But why not this one? Anil Singh, it's the same. But no, you can see here is an extra space between Anil and Singh. Here is only one space and here we have two spaces. What about the next one? Let me double click on this cell to get in. Here you can see there is an extra space after the last name, which is not here. So these may be these unnecessary spaces which are creating this problem. So without any further discussion and explanation, I'll jump right away to our main function which we are discussing right now, that is trim equals trim, open parentheses, and now I'll say trim this text in this particular cell, and it trims it for me. I'll drag it down and now I'll compare the values once again. I'll say equals for this formula, and the formula is I have to check if A2 is equal to E2 now, and you can see it's true now. When I drag it down, you see it is all true. So it has removed the unnecessary spaces from my data. So that's it. I hope this would have helped. Thank you.